Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a chicken farm using an easy method. First, select a well-drained, sunny spot for your coop, ideally with about 10 square feet per bird for outdoor space. Next, choose a chicken breed that aligns with your purpose, whether it's for delicious eggs or quality meat. Remember, providing constant access to clean water and a balanced feed is absolutely essential for healthy, happy chickens. Building a simple yet effective coop is crucial for your flock's well-being. Aim for at least 4 square feet of indoor space per chicken, ensuring they have enough room to move comfortably. Don't forget to add roosting bars for sleeping and 1 nesting box for every 3 to 4 hens. Secure the coop with strong wire mesh and reliable latches to keep predators out. Proper nutrition and hydration are key to a thriving flock. Always provide a high-quality commercial feed specifically designed for your chickens, whether they are chicks, layers, or broilers. Ensure they have constant access to fresh, clean water, changing it daily to prevent contamination. A small amount of grit aids digestion, and occasional healthy treats can be a nice bonus. Maintaining a healthy flock requires consistent attention and care. Clean the coop thoroughly at least once a week, removing soiled bedding to prevent the buildup of ammonia and bacteria. Observe your chickens daily for any unusual behavior or physical changes that might indicate illness. Collect eggs promptly, ideally once or twice a day, to ensure freshness and prevent breakage.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.